welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day. It is so gorgeous outside. As soon as I'm done filming, I'm going to head out there with my kids and do some walking, take advantage of that beautiful weather. But anyway, today I am back with a video. I'm going to be swapping everything that's inside my Louis Vuitton Neverfull PM into my Pichette Matisse that I recently got. And I'm very excited because I want to see exactly like what fits inside, since I really didn't get a chance to see, you know, the things that fit inside the bag before getting it, because I did get it online. But it looks pretty big, so hopefully I'll be able to fit a lot of the stuff from my Neverfull into my Pichette Matisse. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome. If you are new around here, I'm Fabiola, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love everything girly and pink, so if you're into any of that, consider subscribing. Also follow me on Instagram and check out my blog, FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. Ooh, that's a lot. That means let's go ahead and move on to the video. So here is my Neverfull PM. I've had this for almost 5 years. It was my very first Louis Vuitton bag and I love it to death. I use it so much, and I consider this more like my work bag and like my carry-all. It's Neverfull for a reason, because it's Neverfull. You can literally throw so much into this tote bag. So I'm going to try to put as much as I can of my essentials that I have in this bag into my new Pichette Matisse. This is in the empreinte leather in rose poudre, and oh my goodness, this bag is so beautiful. I actually did an unboxing on this last week, so I will link that down there below. But I just absolutely love the color. It's so girly, so pink, and it's actually pretty big. So this is what it looks like inside. And I love the fact that it has like 3 different compartments in here. So there's like this one, then this big one, and then all the way on the back. And then there's also like a small compartment in here if you want to keep anything more safe and secure, like credit cards, etc. So it is like in this beautiful pink lining, which I really love. And I also love the fact that the flap is made out of the same empreinte leather, so it's very easy just to clean. So in my Neverfull, I always carry this little pouch. It's like a cosmetic pouch. And the reason why I use this is because I don't want my interior of my bag to get dirty. So I'm going to see if that fits inside. But inside here, I do always carry like some Motrin. I also have a compact mirror in there, and I have this beautiful lip gloss. It's called the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil Intense. It's actually the gloss that I'm wearing right now, and Oaktolly and Clarins sent this out to me so that I could try it out, review it for you guys. But I love this color here. The shade is so beautiful. It's so girly, and I also love the formula because it's not sticky. That always worries me about like lip glosses, because they tend to be like very sticky. But this one here is not sticky at all, and it's like this really creamy formula, and it is so pigmented. So check it out. This one here is in the shade 06, which is Intense Fuchsia. And then also in this little bag, I also always carry a mist. This little mist is from Derma E, and it's a calming face mist. It's a skin beneficial mist, mood enhancing. It has coconut essence and witch hazel, and I just practically use this whenever I feel like my skin is like super dry, or I'm just feeling, you know, like I need like something like refreshing on my skin. So this here is great. It's from the brand Derma E. They have amazing mists. So let's see. I'm going to put everything back in here. I'm going to see if it all fits inside the Pichette Matisse. I don't think it is. This is the size of this, so it's definitely not going to fit because it is taller than the Pichette Matisse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the essentials. So I'm going to, of course, take my Motrin. You guys, I always get this like massive headache every month, and I recently just had like the worst migraine ever, so I always have to carry this. So I'm going to put that in this big compartment. I'm also going to put my compact mirror, my face mist, my perfume, and my lipstick or lip gloss. So that all there fits perfectly. So also in my bag, I do have my Mini Pochette, I think that's how you say it, accessoire. And it is the mini one. They do have the bigger one, which I really want to get, but they're always sold out. I can never find it, so I guess I'll have to stalk the website until I can find it. But this here just carries like all my credit cards, and it's like packed. It has like credit cards, receipts, and I really have to go through this, but I don't want to get rid of anything right now, so I am going to put this in here as well. And it still fits pretty good and very roomy. I also have my keys, and I do have an extra set of keys. I don't normally have like all of this in my keychain. That's because I'm currently driving my husband's car, so it is pretty big. So I'm going to try to put this inside the front flap right here on its own, because I don't want it like scratching my phone or anything like that. And then also in here, of course, I do have my phone, and look at this case, how pretty it is. It has like little Chanel logos all over it, and it has like glitter and lipstick, and it's so girly. I really love it. I'm going to find the link if I can find it, and I'll link it for you guys if you guys like this case. But I do have the iPhone X, and I'm going to put it right here. And as you can see, it is still pretty spacious. There's still like a lot of space. I'm so excited, you guys. And then of course the last thing I have in here is my phone charger, which I always carry. So I'm just gonna put this in with my keys on the front. It's definitely very spacious. I am so excited, and I'm even more excited because I know for sure that my vlogging camera is gonna fit. So I'm going to go ahead and close it, and it closes perfectly. It doesn't like deform the bag at all. It still looks pretty good. So here's what the Pichette Matisse looks like as a shoulder bag, and it is extremely comfortable, you guys. I am 5'6" for reference, and it hits me like right below the hip area. It looks very pretty like this. It also has these like adjustable little holes there, so you can like adjust it if you wanted to make it shorter, but I like it like this. I think it's pretty nice. So here it is as a crossbody. It goes a little bit above the hip area. It's also very comfortable. I really like the strap. It doesn't like dig into your shoulder or anything, so I really love it. It looks so pretty like this. I think I'm going to probably like style it a lot like this as a crossbody. So here it is as a handle bag. It looks adorable like this as well. I really like it like this. It looks more like a work bag, I think, when you carry it like this. It's so pretty. So I'm probably going to either style it like this or as a crossbody. I think this Pichette Matisse is absolutely stunning. It fits so much in here, and it's not even like that heavy. It's like very comfortable. So that was it, you guys, for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Got some insight of what fits inside this bag. You can see it fits a lot of things in there. And they do have this in like multiple colors. So if you're not into pink, they do have like the reversible leather, and they do have like black and red and like so many other pretty colors. So check them out. I really hope you guys have an amazing rest of your afternoon. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different.